Good afternoon and welcome to today's news brief. Today is Thursday, January 28. The Baja California Sur Health Safety Committee determined this Thursday, January 28, that the municipality of Los Cabos continues at level 4, orange, in the health alert system for COVID-19. With this, Los Cabos is the only municipality staying at level 4, since the municipality of Mulegé has moved to level 5, where La Paz, Loreto and Comondú remain. This was reported by Governor Carlos Mendoza Davis through his social networks. The governor warned that unless the rate and number of new cases slows down, new restrictions will be applied to mobility in Baja California Sur. Following the governor's announcement, Dr. George Flores, Secretary of Health for Baja California Sur, explained during the weekly press conference that the municipality of Mulegé showed an increase in the incidence rate of COVID-19 cases to well above the state average of 200.2 per 100,000 inhabitants, while Los Cabos stayed below at a rate of incidence of 135. Dr. George Flores said that currently there are 216 hospitalized COVID-19 patients, which represent 48% of the 445 beds available. Of the hospitalized patients, 87 are in Los Cabos, with 10 of them staying at private hospitals. Last week, COVID claimed the life of 60 patients. The Secretary of Health said that the continued practice of all precautionary measures, such as social distancing, wearing face masks, etc., is the best way to maintain the numbers at a lower level. Dr. George Flores, Secretary of Health for Baja California Sur, confirmed that 152 paramedics were included in the register for vaccine candidates that was sent to the federal government. The register included names of 829 people from the private sector who work in the first line of contact with potential COVID-19 patients. During today's press conference, Dr. George Flores, Secretary of Health for Baja California Sur, explains that the federal government has appointed Lieutenant Berenice Lopez Garcia, MD, as vaccination coordinator, which is why the Secretary doesn't have information regarding the next steps in the vaccination campaign. But he trusts that in due time, everybody will have access to the vaccine. That is all that I have for you today. Have a great evening. And remember to tune in on Sunday at 6 p.m. for another edition of Cabomilnews and Community Update.